Hello again, Year 5. Welcome to your second maths lesson, and today we are looking at converting and comparing measures, especially liquids. So here's your question for this week. Do you think your bathroom or your kitchen has more liquid in it? And these are not pictures of my bathroom or kitchen. I wish they were, but these are some things that I found in my bathroom and in my kitchen. Now, what do we need to know for measuring liquid? There's Cora, she's asking, what do we need to know? We need to know measuring, we need to know units and what we mean by that, converting and comparing. Now, measuring and units, we measure things to know their size. So distance, length, just like when we were looking at perimeter last week, height, area, mass, volume, and many other things. We measure liquid in milliliters and litres. But you will sometimes see liquid measured in fluid ounces. You can see the bottom of that shampoo bottle there is measured in both fluid ounces and millilitres. Converting. Converting in math is used to mean changing between different measurements. So we're looking at millilitres and litres, and there are 1,000 millilitres in 1 litre. So here is a table, just a bit of practice. We're going to be doing a lot of this. Millilitres and litres, you can see that there's 1,000 millilitres in 1 litre. So how many millilitres in 2 litres? 2,000 millilitres. See if you can work your way through the rest of that table. And don't get caught out at the bottom. There's a couple of tricky ones there. And how did we do? You can see the tricky ones at the bottom. A little bit of a focus on those. 500 millilitres, is that more or less than a whole litre? So think about that. The one underneath, 0.05 litres. What would that be in millilitres? And there are the answers. So 1,000 millilitres is 1 litre. 2,000 millilitres, 2 litres. And there, 2,500, that's 2.5 litres or 2.5 litres. 3.5 litres is 3,500 millilitres. And that 500 there is half a litre, 0.5 litres. And 0.05 litres, we just divide that one by 10. We see we have 50 millilitres. So what did you do to convert them? What was the formula you used? And there it is, millilitres to litres, divide by 1,000, and litres to millilitres, multiply by 1,000. Now, comparing means a lot of things, and I know sometimes when we do literacy, I ask you to find similarities and differences. But particularly in maths, it means seeing which one is bigger or smaller. We use it to order things. So which one is bigger, 1.5 litres or 750 millilitres? What do you think? Take a guess. And what clues are there? What things do you need to do to compare them? There's a little clue. 1.5 litres is the same as 1,500 millilitres. So now they are in the same units. You can see 1,500 millilitres is bigger than 750 millilitres. And so 1.5 litres is bigger. It's bigger than 750. So back to that question. Do you think your kitchen or your bathroom has more liquid in it? Here are some items that I found in my kitchen or bathroom that you might go looking for. We've got some contact lens solution, some shampoo and conditioner, some cleaning fluids, some fairy liquids, some squash, olive oil. All of those things will have their measurements written on them. For example, I've got some hand sanitizer here, very important right now. The hand sanitizer has the measurement on the front. It says 59.2 millilitres. Now 59.2 millilitres, that is definitely less than a whole litre. I might be tempted to round it as well. It's about 60 millilitres. It's almost full, so I'm going to count that as 60 millilitres. So first of all, you're going to find safe liquids in your bathroom and your kitchen. You are going to look at their volume. For example, 240 millilitres, that's from my contact lens solution at the top. You're going to record the volume of each container in a chart. There's an example of a chart just there, kitchen and the bathroom. You're going to add together the total amount of safe liquid in the kitchen. Do the same for the bathroom, nothing hazardous, nothing dangerous. And then you are going to compare to see which room has more liquid in it. And as a bit of a challenge, convert your answers to litres. Have fun and get investigating.